Ask Doug, does my international employer group insurance have the telehealth benefit? Does my international insurance policy include telehealth benefits, Doug? Dewi, that is a great question. First, not all international employer group insurance policies have this benefit. Since telehealth is an added global insurance benefit, not all global employers add this medical benefit to their global employer group insurance. However, after checking your schedule of benefits on your overseas group insurance policy, I see that you have this wonderful medical benefit for you and your family, Dewi. Dewi, here is a few key things to keep in mind about your telehealth benefit. Did you know telehealth is the fastest growing international medical field right now? Telehealth and virtual wellness appointments bring the best care to you, no matter where you are. When telehealth benefits are included, often you have access to international networks of board-certified physicians who can provide you medical care with little to no copay. Telehealth medicine doctors can diagnose and treat acute minor illnesses like a cold, assist with medication changes, or even refer you to the right local medical provider in your area, no matter where you happen to be. Dewi, get the most out of your international employer group insurance plan by using your telehealth benefits for care overseas. Good Neighbor Insurance at gninsurance.com is dedicated to helping you understand and use your global medical insurance benefits to their highest potential, so you can stay protected through all of your international adventures, Dewi. Change is always in the air, so please check our webpage at gninsurance.com/group-health for the most up-to-date information on your global employer medical insurance. Or call us at 480-813-9100 or toll free at 866-636-9100 here in Gilbert, Arizona. Or email us at info@gninsurance.com. Your G&I team here in Gilbert, Arizona wish you and your family safe and awe-inspiring expatriate travels, Dewi.